Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover in stock with us. This one in particular is the P550e, so it's a petrol plug-in hybrid and the biggest variant of that plug-in hybrid. It's also an autobiography, which means it's the top specification in terms of what we can get on Range Rover, and there's lots of nice stunning options on this vehicle. So starting off, as we can see, it is our metallic Eiger Grey, finished off with nickel Atlas Grey lettering and grille. We do have 3D surround camera as standard on the Range Rover Autobiography, and coming round to the sides, all our surround sensors across the front and rear of the vehicle. But we've got some stunning diamond turned alloy wheels, the likes of front and rear mud flaps fitted to this vehicle. Nice autobiography badging as well, so you don't forget what spec it is, and you can show it off. 3D surround cameras, black mirror caps on there, power folding wing mirrors, deployable door handles with the likes of walkaway locking and approach unlocking. We've got privacy glass as well, which adds the extra level of comfort for the rear passengers. And one really nice bit of specification is that electrically deployable Towbar. Now, signature to Range Rover, we've got that split tailgate and a huge boot in Range Rover. We've got the likes of that electric retractable parcel shelf, controls for our electric Towbar, air suspension, and we've even got rear seat remote levers as well, so we can recline them rear seats or we can fold them down in their entirety to get that flat pushing through. Close that boot, which we can also do with the key. We'll have a little look at the inside on this one. So as you can see, using that rear seat remote lever, we have actually turned that seat down. Now, we've got a full Perlino interior on this vehicle. It looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. The likes of 4-zone climate control, Meridian signature sound as well, which sounds absolutely fantastic. And we do have memory functionality as well as power tune blind. We've got things like blind spot monitoring on the mirrors. All our adjustments for our seats. We've actually got this black birch veneer on this vehicle as well. Electrically adjustable steering wheel. Of course, it is an automatic as well. And it's got 9,543 miles at the time of recording. Heated steering wheel, paddles on the back, things like voice control, adaptive cruise control. We've got auto lights, auto wipers, huge interactive driver's display, which is fully customizable. And on that, I can actually customize my head-up display that's straight ahead of me. And of course, standard on autobiography as well is that clear view rear sight mirror, which is a camera fitted on the fin and looks back out the vehicle. Now, we've got lots of different options on this infotainment system, starting off with the dual zone climate control. We've got the likes of your heated and cooled seats. We've got the full 360 cameras or 3D surround cameras around the vehicle, which gives us that nice bird's eye view, and all our towing options as well to line up the trailers or caravan, whatever we might be towing. And if I just back out all the way to our applications and look at seats, we've actually got full massage functions on this car also. Now, looking underneath, we've got wireless device charging, a little bit of storage space with some USB-C ports, twin cup holders. We've got storage space in the middle with an actual optional refrigerator compartment. And looking up ahead, we've got again the Perlino leather headlining with a sliding panoramic roof, which I can open right up. Now, again, this is a Range Rover P550e in Eiger Grey. If you're looking for a plug-in hybrid Range Rover, this may be the one for you, so please feel free to inquire online or call us through the website.